Myself, Amrita Santosh, will discuss today the various accounting vouchers in Tally. Before that, the meaning of the software Tally. Tally is a software used by the accountants to record their day-to-day transactions. The computerized accounting software is known as Tally. It has got many add-ons. Voucher is one of the same. Now, the meaning of the term voucher. Voucher in simple terms refers to the documentary evidence in support of a transaction. The documentary evidence supporting a transaction or an activity happening in a business respective money transaction is known as a voucher. And voucher is of two types in the Tally ERP9 software. They are accounting vouchers and inventory vouchers. Accounting vouchers is the main voucher, and we will be discussing about the different accounting vouchers today. And inventory voucher. Now, accounting voucher is a voucher used to record all the accounting related transactions. Some of them includes sales, purchase, payment, receipt, contra, credit, debit, journal voucher or journal proper. Once more, some of the different or the main accounting vouchers in the software includes sales, purchase, payment, receipt, contra, credit note, debit note, and journal voucher or journal proper. Discussing each voucher in detail. First is sales voucher. Sales voucher is the voucher used to record the sales related transactions. Both credit and debit sales are included here. And some of the examples include sold goods to the party Hira worth rupees 2000, sold goods for cash or simply sold goods rupees 1000, sold goods to Harish and company and paid the same using check rupees 2500. Here both cash and credit transactions are involved. Second is purchase voucher. The purchase related transactions are recorded in the purchase voucher. Here also, like the sales voucher, both credit and debit transactions are included. Some of the examples include purchased goods from the party Manish worth rupees 4000, purchased goods for cash rupees 1000, purchased goods from the party Deepak and Sons and paid using check rupees 2000. The third is payment voucher. It is used to record all the payments. The cash outflows or the cash decreases are recorded using the payment vouchers. Two examples are given hereby. They are paid rent by cash rupees 20,000, paid to the party Suresh using check rupees 10,000. Fourth is receipt voucher. This is the opposite of the third one, the payment voucher. Here all the receipts in the form of cash or cash equivalents are included. Here cash inflows are coming or cash increases are coming, not cash decreases or outflows. Examples include started business with cash rupees 1 lakh, received check rupees 2000 from the party Mohit, received cash from the party Harish, interest received in cash rupees 2000. Here all we can see the inflow of cash. The cash balance or the cash account will be debited here. Fifth one is contra entry or the contra voucher. Contra voucher is a record or the voucher used to record the transactions where we can see both cash and bank account. Here both cash and bank account. It can be either credited or debited. That doesn't matter. It is important that the cash and bank transaction should be recorded here. Some of the examples are opened bank account with cash rupees 20,000, cash withdrawn from bank rupees 10,000, cash deposited into bank rupees 2,000 and started a bank account. It's important that it is important to check whether both cash and bank balances are involved. Sixth one is credit note voucher. Credit note voucher is used to record all the sales return transactions. Hence, it is also known as sales returns transactions. Credit note voucher is also known as sales returns transactions since it records all the sales return related transactions. Some of the examples include return goods sold to Hira, Sales returned rupees 2000 from the party Hira, rupees 2000. Harish returned goods. Credit note or sales return. It is a transaction used to record all the sales return related transactions. Some of the examples include sales return rupees 2000 from Hira. Harish, the party returned goods sold to the party, back to the company. This is also known as sales return transaction. Credit note is also known as sales return transaction or sales return voucher. Seventh one, debit note. Debit note alias purchase return is used to record all the purchase related return transactions. Purchase returns are recorded using the debit note. An example is given, purchase return to Harish worth rupees 1000. Here all the purchase return related transactions are recorded. And the eighth one is journal proper or the journal voucher. Here there won't be any cash transactions. There can be certain transactions like withdrew goods for personal use. Here we can't see any cash balances. Those records should be recorded under the journal proper voucher. Another example is adjustment entries, say depreciation provided, provision for bad debts. Here there are no cash or bank balances involved. So this should be recorded in the voucher known as journal proper. Once more, summarizing the different accounting vouchers or the main vouchers in the software. Accounting vouchers are of 8 mainly. They include sales voucher, purchase voucher, payment voucher, receipt voucher, contra voucher, credit note voucher, debit note voucher and journal voucher or journal proper. First is sales voucher. Sales voucher is used to record all the sales related transactions, both cash and credit form. Here also same as sales transaction, purchase voucher is used to record all the credit sales and cash credit purchases and cash purchases transactions. Third one is payment voucher. Payment voucher is used to record all the payment related transactions. Cash outflows are coming here. And the fourth one is receipt voucher. It is used to record all the cash inflows or cash increases. Enhancements are recorded using the receipt note voucher. Fifth is contra. Contra voucher. Contra voucher is a voucher used to record transactions where we can see both cash and bank transactions. Sixth is credit note voucher. Credit note voucher is used to record all the sales return transactions. Hence, it is also known as sales return voucher. Seventh one. The second last one is debit note or the purchase return. Purchase return or debit note is used to record all the purchase return related transactions. This is also known as purchase return voucher. And the last one is journal proper or the journal voucher. Here there won't be any cash or bank form included. No cash transactions or non-cash transactions are recorded here, mainly adjustment entries like depreciation, bad debts. Or another example will be withdrew goods for personal use. There is no cash involved. So all these are recorded under journal proper. And the shortcut keys for all the vouchers in the software is given below. For sales voucher, you can press the function key F8, purchase voucher F9, payment voucher F5, receipt voucher F6, contra voucher F4, journal voucher or the journal proper F7, debit note voucher control plus F9, credit note voucher control plus F8. Once more repeating the same, sales voucher the shortcut key is F8, purchase voucher F9, payment voucher F5, receipt voucher F6, contra voucher F4, journal voucher F7, debit note voucher control plus F9, credit note voucher control plus F8.